In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to work on chart of accounts, how we can create account, how we can edit an account, and how we can delete an account, and how we can make inactive an account. So we have studied in accounting five major accounts, five type of accounts. These accounts such as liabilities, assets, owner equities, revenues, and expenses. So we will work on them here in QuickBooks so you can see. And for creating accounts, we will open chart of accounts in QuickBooks. And QuickBook, we can bring chart of accounts from five places. First is you can double click on home, and home menu you can see here chart of accounts. By double clicking chart of accounts, the page of accounts will be open and you can create here accounts, edit and delete it. And another place is list. By clicking list here you can see chart of accounts, and double click on it, the accounts page will be open. Another place is accountant. By clicking accountant you can open chart of accounts. And another one is company. By clicking company you can bring page of chart of accounts. By clicking company you can see the same page is open. And another one is by using Control A. By using Control A, you can open chart of accounts. So here we will create account and delete and edit and make inactive. So by clicking and opening this page, we come here. You see at the bottom menu here account. By clicking this, in this area you can see new. By clicking new we can create new account. I am going to create an account for income. By clicking continue you can see account type income, and here we should write account name. For example, sales. Sales is an income account and we write here. You can choose from here. You can see select from examples. By clicking select from examples you can select account here also, or you can write here. And sub account, if our account is a sub account of other accounts, so we will click here and we choose the account, head account for it. So our sales is not sub account of others, so I'm not clicking on it. Here is description needed. You can use description and write description for it. And here you can see save includes. By clicking save includes, this account will save, but this page will be finished and this page will be eliminated. By clicking save in new, this account will be saved, but this page will be open again. By clicking cancel, this page will go and the account will not save. I am going to click on save includes. Here account is saved by the name of sales. Another one, by clicking right on the account, you can click on the right of your mouse by any kind of account, and here you can see N, new. So by clicking new you can create an account. For example, I'm going to create account for expenses. So select expenses and then click continue. By clicking continue, here you can see account type, or you can change from here. You can change from here the type of account. So I'm going to create an account for expenses. Here I am writing the name of account, utilities. Or you can select here from examples. Here lots of accounts you can see and you can select. And sub account, as I'm not going to sub this account from other accounts, and I'm going to save and close this account again. And another option for creating account, we can use control N. By clicking control N, you can open this page again. So see expenses. I am going to create another account for expenses and click on continue. And here I'm writing the name of account electricity, and click on sub account this check, and I'm select another account to utilities. So the electricity will be sub account of utilities, and I'm going to save in new. So the account that you saved is saved to our chart of accounts, and this page open again. Another account, internet charges. Internet charges, by clicking again sub account and utilities. So save, by clicking save includes, you can see here utilities our expenses, and electricity and internet charges are sub accounts of utilities. Again, I'm creating another account for bank. You can see here bank, fixed assets, loan, credit card, equity. So you can select types of accounts from here, and those accounts which are related to cash, we should select bank for it. For example, if we creating account for cash in hand, if we creating account for petty cash, or creating a bank account, so we will choose what? We should choose bank. And then continue. Here I'm going to create an account for bank. For example, AIB Bank U is USD account. And here's description, not writing description. Here you can see bank account number. You can write the bank account number here, and routing number. If you have routing, you can write routing number from your bank account. Here you can see enter opening balance. By clicking enter opening balance, you can enter the balance that you have in the bank account. See statement ending balance. How much balance you have in bank account right here by the time you are creating this bank account. For example, I have 15,000 USD, and instead, and you can see statement ending date. You can select the date from which you are creating this account, on which date, or you can choose the date from fiscal year, which is the fiscal year of your company. You can select from that date, or you can choose the date which are you creating this account. Okay, and then save includes. You can see here in ABUSD account $15,000. So this was the creation of accounts, and I'm going to how to edit an account. You can click right click on your accounts here. For example, depreciation, I'm going to click right on here, your mouse right click, and there you can see edit account. By clicking edit account, you can change the type of account as well, and you can for example change the name of account, other assets. For example, I'm writing an account for what? For fixed asset. For example, furniture. furniture. So you can enter balance as well here for furniture, that how much for value of your furniture has. For example, 2000. And you can choose the date as well by clicking UK and by save includes. You can see here furniture fixed asset. So this is the method of editing an account, and I'm going to make inactive an account table and expenses, where you are going to make an account inactive. In some cases, if we not using our accounts in QuickBooks for a long time, so we are just want to limit accounts that we use regularly, so you can make your accounts inactive. Make account inactive. Our account is disappeared here. And another one, you can delete. How you can delete your account from your chart of accounts? For example, product samples expenses. Right click of your mouse and then you can see delete account. Are you sure want to delete? Before you deleting of accounts, you should delete all relating to transactions of your account and delete your account. If you do not delete your transaction related to your account, that your account will not be deleted. And how we can bring inactive accounts in our chart of accounts by clicking here, and you can see here this has cross option, and by clicking cross option or clicking right click make account active, this account will come to chart of accounts and disappear on this page.